Here are the top 30 most used Adobe Illustrator shortcuts. First, Selection Tool. After you use a lot of tools, you often have to activate the Selection tool again. Press V to activate it. This will make your work easier. This tool has the basic functions of selecting, rotating, rounded corners, and resizing. Next, copy object using Alt. Selection, hold Alt and drag to copy the object. Next, hold Alt and scroll to zoom in or zoom out. Next, hold space, click and drag mouse like this. Next, press A to activate direct selection. This tool has functions of move anchor point, delete half, round corner, or move like this. Next, select object, and press D to reset color and stroke to default. Next, select object, press slash to remove fill color and leaving only strokes. Next, select object and press X to remove stroke. Next, select object and press Shift X to swap fill to stroke or vice versa. Next, select object, press up, click to specify the rotate point, and rotate. Press Ctrl D to repeat. Next, after copy object, press Ctrl D to repeat. This also applies when rotating objects. Next, select, press O, click, and drag while holding Shift Alt to reflect. Next, press P to activate Pen tool. Next, press T and click to insert a text. Next, press M to make rectangle. Press D if you want to reset. Next, press L to make ellipse or circle. Next, press B for paint brush. I will show brush panel. Press B. Select brush. Select color here. And start drawing. Next, press Shift B for blob brush. This tool is great for making basic sketches of illustrations or logo sketches. Next, select and press S to scale object. Hold Shift for proportional size. Shift Alt to scale and copy. Ctrl D to repeat. You can also turn it into a trapezoid. Press A, select. Press S. And move corner. Next, select and press Shift M to activate Shape Builder tool. Next, Live Paint Bucket. This is used to color objects. I often use this to make pixel art. Select object and press K. Select color. Start drawing. Select. Press X/X to remove stroke. Go to Object and expand. Next, select Object and press I to pick color. Press V and select again. Next, press Ctrl-G to group and Ctrl-Shift-G to ungroup. Next, Ctrl-2 to lock object. This will be easy in object selection. Press Ctrl-Alt-2 to unlock. Next, edit gradient. First, I will fill this with gradient. Next, press G to edit. Next, moving an object using only the object is too slow, so use Shift to speed it up. This also applies to moving anchor points. Next, press Ctrl-Shift-Square for bring to front or send to back. Next, press Ctrl-Square for bring forward or send backward. Next, paste in front. This is one object. Select and Ctrl-C to copy, and press Ctrl-F to paste in front. Now there are two objects. Next, press Ctrl-0 to fit artboard in window. This is especially helpful when working with multiple artboards. Click one of the objects in it, then press Ctrl-0. Go to Edit and Keyboard Shortcuts to find out more other shortcuts. Finish and good luck. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.